All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the last trading day of April. It's been a pretty good last 2 days trading wise for me. Really nice day yesterday. If you guys didn't check that video, make sure you go check it out. Making about $170 yesterday, I believe it was. So, really happy with that. Going to move on to today where I got two trades to end out the month of April. Could it stay all green on the month as far as days? There were definitely red trades in April, but no red days. So, could I keep it all green throughout the month? Let's go this trade.
Hey guys, are you tired of using the same old stock market scanner and getting the same old results? Add some intensity to your trading with the Intensity Stock Watch Scanner. The intensity indicator is the only predictive price action indicator that alerts before significant reversals, allowing trade management with unprecedented timing and accuracy. Now with this exclusive link and code GDTISW, you can get 20 to 30% off every month on your subscription. It's time to finally get the results you've been looking for and intensify your trading with the Intensity Stock Watch Scanner.
Okay, so first trade today was here on AEM. You see it starting to alert on the scanner to my right. So I'm watching it here as it's popping up through 58. I'm thinking this thing can run up towards 58.50 here. It does it really quick. I go ahead and put an 100 share order out there at 58.40. Doesn't get a fill initially, but then does come up and grab me at 58.40. So I'm short here on AEM to start my morning in at 58.40, looking for under 58 if it's going to give me a cover here on this initial position. Otherwise, we'll see what it can do. And it decides it's going to jump up here. Nice. Watch this move. Boom, 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 boom. All the way up to the 90s. I go ahead and put a quick order out. 100 more shares at 58.90. Once again, I don't get a fill initially here. So I'm like, oh, man. I hope I didn't miss that beautiful move up towards the whole dollar there. But it does come back up. Is it going to give me a fill there? I'm in. I got another 100 shares short there at 58.90. So I now have 200 shares short here on AEM at 58.65. And we'll see if this thing can come back down through my initial entry. But it comes down, it kind of hits into the high 40s, and it's not cracking down. It's not cracking down. So I'm fighting myself here. I'm like, I guess I'm just going to take 150 off here because I don't want this to be the bounce point, and then it comes up, and I got to just stop out for a full loss. So I decided to take 150 off there, leave 50 on in case it did want to come down more, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my stop out at the high on those 50 shares that I have remaining. So we'll see what happens here in AEM. That was kind of it really felt like it was holding up. I wasn't sure if it was going to come back down, so I just wanted to reduce my risk a little bit there and then see what it does. But it does just come shooting down basically a minute later, so that was kind of frustrating. It could have at least waited a minute. Don't do it immediately after do it. But once it comes down into the low 58s there, go ahead and check the order out at 58.10, and I'm all out there for $50 there on AEM to start the day. A little bit later in the morning, actually, I was editing the video and had to hit record real quick. I see SAIA popping up. It alerted on the scanner there for a minute, but it's so spready that I caught my eye and then I came off of it just like that. So I decided to get a little conservative yet aggressive here. So aggressive because it's such a big mover and the spread's so crazy, but conservative because I'm only going 30 shares here. So I decided to put an order out for 30 shares, try and get short at 299, thinking there's a chance that it may reject off of the 300 level, and I'll go ahead and be happy to get started here at 299. So there it comes up. It does give me the fill. I'm in at 299 for 30 shares short. And then on the bid, at least, it comes down almost immediately to like 296. So I go ahead and put my order out there at 296, just seeing I'll take 3 points on 30 shares and be happy with it if I can get it. Does not end up getting to fill me there. So it starts coming up a little bit higher. I think I need at least up through 302, probably closer to 305 would be better here for my ad spot. And I'm watching it here, and it's kind of up there, but where's the, oh, boom, look at that move. Boom, there it is. I hit the inside the bid. I click the button. I put 30 more shares out the short at 304.96, just front running the 305 mark. It does come up and get me a blessing fill there. Look at that fill. It shot up, instantly got me shot right back down. So now I'm in 60 shares short, an average of basically 302. And I'm going to decide that because this thing is getting to a 3-point spread at times, I've got 60 shares now. I should probably just try and be a little bit conservative this one, lock in a nice green day if I can, and go from there. So I decided to put all 60 out and front run the 300 on the other side. So I put them out at $300.10 just to see if I can get the whole thing off here with about a 2-point win. There it gives me the fill, and I'm all out of those 60 shares, and I've made $112 there. Now up 163 on the day to end what has been a really nice 3-5 final days of trading here for me in April. Pretty happy with that one. Did come back down more, but that one was super spready and a little bit nerve wracking. So happy to take that and move on to my weekend. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the trading today. If you did, make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe. It means a lot to me as we go into May. May the 4th be with you, and I'll catch you later.